Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I really want to use this flow to keep going, you know? Okay, so I love storytelling and I love making films. I love making things. And for the past couple weeks and months and really years, I have always been making up excuses and reasons why I'm not telling more stories and making more videos and making more films. And long story short, I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of, not doing one of the things that make me the happiest. And so I decided today that I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop falling in the trap that I don't have enough. That it's easy to hear that voice that keeps telling you every day, like, hey, you're not enough, you don't have enough, you're gonna wait until you do that certain thing so you can then start making more art and telling stories. And when it's not, like, you already have everything in you, everything that you need to start, you already have. That's a lot easier said than done, of course, but I've been experiencing that for so long now that it's almost like it's getting to a point where I need to do something, or else my whole life is at stake. That's what it is. And so it's crazy how when you just start and you just focus on the process, man, you just focus on enjoying truly the journey of like making something even though no one's watching. Like, you have to fall in love with the journey. That's the only way that you're ever going to succeed in. And yet I haven't done anything up to this point. And so yeah, this is me taking action. All right, I'll see you soon.